I'm going to show you exactly how to install Translate and Currency Converter Pro onto your Shopify store. So first thing you do is you go into the app here. We do have instructions, so you can actually get these access to this at any time. So if you go to the instruction screen, so if it's your first time installing it, you're going to need to do two things. Disable other translation and currency converter apps. So you can't run two currency apps at the same time or two translation apps at the same time. You can run our translation and another currency or our currency and another translation. That will still work. But we've tried to put everything, so you just have to do it all in a single app here. So step one would be just to disable anything, just so there's no conflict on it. Step two is you're going to need to go to you're going to need to go into your settings. You're going to need to make some changes in order for the currency to work. So what we'll do is we're going to go to settings right here, then we'll go to general, store currencies, change formatting, and then make those changes. So I'm going to copy this right here. Actually, I'll copy this one here because it has the USD in it, and I'm going to take that with me. So I'm going to go to Settings, General, scroll down to Store Currencies, and in here I'm going to change these two here. So mine was Canadian, so it's going to be CAD, and the other. So that's all you need to do is you need to change that. I'll hit the Save button. And now it will work. So step one and step two is all you need to do in order to get it to work. Step three and step four is if you are going to manually install the app, which there's no reason you really should unless you really know what you're doing, then you do not need to do step three and step four. You only need to do step one and two. And now the currency converter will work on your Shopify store. The translator will work regardless. You don't need to do any of this for that as well. So if you have any questions or anything I can help you with, please contact us and let us know if we can help you. Thank you very much.